What's up guys, welcome back to World Entertainment Gallery channel. Today the topic of this video is Jimin and Yoongi spotted eating at Yoonmin fan restaurant on leave today. Special latest clip in complete detail, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go click on the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Today, this moment of Yoongi and Jimin is getting shared on social media because you all guys know that Yoongi and Jimin both are in military right now. Recently, this moment came as Yoongi and Jimin were seen eating food at Yoonmin fan restaurant, which got confirmed later by fans. But Yoongi and Jimin definitely knew about it, as there were so many moments of them on the wall of that restaurant, according to the written update by a fan. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys.